Okay, y'all. The continuing saga of adventure and things I never did before. I'm on a boat. Alright, y'all. I'm out here and I'm going snorkeling. I've never been snorkeling before. I'm in Nungwi Beach. And let me see. Let me show y'all. We're out here. The water is blue behind me. I'm gonna stitch this together. Maybe somebody's gonna have to get a picture of me snorkeling. Y'all might just get pictures of me with the pants on before I get out here, but I'm enjoying this vacation. Take care. Bye bye. The water is so blue. Oh, we took a small boat to a bigger boat, y'all. It's a little bit shaky, but we're gonna make it, y'all. All right, this is the other boat that we're getting on.
Is it?
I think so. Yep. All right. Bye bye. It's going. Okay, y'all. I'm going in. Somebody got to push me. Voluntarily. I knew you was volunteering.
I got this. Do you want me to count or just do it? You're done? I would say take that thing out of your mouth.
Okay, family and friends, I got in only for a short period of time. The currents are really strong, and I'm gonna stitch together some of my videos, some of other people's videos, some photos. We had a great time. We ate here on the boat. Your girl got seasick. I ain't gonna lie. I lost about an hour of the trip. Okay, I don't know if somebody took a picture of me passed out on the boat. Maybe they did, maybe they didn't. I may have to reenact it. But you know that I have really bad vertigo, so it doesn't solve this and that. We got 2 hours to go back. I did not take the Dramamine because it interacts with my medicine, so I know I'm going to probably pass out on the way back, even though it is non-drowsy Dramamine. But I'm going to show y'all how calm the water is now, and I already feel seasick. This is calm. You guys are going to see when the waves are not calm, they were just coming up. They were coming up like this. Into the boat. Into the boat. Into the boat. I was as green as this swimsuit. So it was an interesting day. Again, this has been a great adventure. I've done so many things I've never done, never thought I would do. I would encourage you all to try things, try new things, and be open to adventure. All right, bye-bye. Okay, y'all, we're going back. I had to put my hair up. I'm about to show y'all how rough the water gets. Okay, it's rough water. I've already been splashed. I must be half crazy. Look at this boat leaning. Look at this. We pirates of the Caribbean. Not really, pirates of the Indian Ocean. You hear that? You hear that? Look at all this water. Okay, y'all. I am so tanned. I'm just giving y'all the view. I'm just giving y'all the view. Y'all see the sun on me? It's kissing me. All right, bye-bye.